Welcome back to my solution to Challenge 2 of Chapter 3, Shopping Cart Component. A quick recap of the objective. This was to create a shopping cart component that uses signals to manage state. Display a department drop-down. Click a department to display products. Click on a product for more details and add to cart. Click cart icon to display items in cart with remove icon. I provided the function to load the product data. See link below challenge video. Okay, let's look at the code. Since signals were required, let's start with the signals file, cartsignals.svelte.js. First, we declare the signal, cart, which will be an array of all of the items in the cart. Next, we need getters and setters. The setter add to cart checks if the items you are trying to add already exists in the cart, and if it does, it increments the quantity by 1, otherwise it pushes the item to the cart array. Since SvelteKit 5 now has reactive arrays and objects, we can simply push to the array. Similarly for the setter remove from cart. Here we decrement. And that's the signals file. Next, look at the main component ch2_cart.svelte. We import the signal getter setter functions. We need state for the product data, departments, products, and the selected department and selected product. We also have a show cart boolean that will be used to hide the cart display. Next, functions. First, the provided load product data function, which fetches the data and populates the departments array using object keys. We call that function immediately after declaring it. Next, the select department function, which will be triggered when a department is selected. This needs to set the selected department to that chosen and then populate the products array with products for that department. Next, view product details function, which simply sets the selected product to the chosen product. Now, for the markup. First, we need that drop-down for the department. When a department is selected, it calls the select department function. Next, we have conditional rendering of the products, if there are any. The items in this product list are displayed with an on-click event that calls function view product details, which sets selected product variable to the chosen product. Next, conditionally display the selected product if one is selected. This is displayed with an add to cart icon, which calls function add to cart when clicked. But where is that function? It's imported from the signals file. Remember, it adds the product push if it doesn't exist or increments quantity if it does exist in the cart. Next, we have the display of the cart icon. This is a toggle to display or hide the cart div details. It also toggles variable show cart, which triggers whether the cart details are displayed or not. Then we have a conditional rendering of the shopping cart based on show cart. This displays all the items in the cart, if any, and provides a delete icon, which, if clicked, calls the other setter remove from cart. And that is my solution for Challenge 2. If yours was different and it works well, then that's great. If you did not follow any particular part of this, then go over the code and try to figure it out, and hopefully you will get the understanding. The main thing is that you keep trying. Before you know it, things will become second nature and you will move on to bigger and better things. Hopefully you now have the signals part down no problem. A quick recap on what you have covered in Challenge 2. 1. Reactivity. Utilize SvelteKit 5's $state to manage state changes and reactivity within components. $effect for handling component dismount. 2. Signal management. Use signals to manage the cart state and user selections, ensuring reactivity across components. 3. Conditional rendering. Use #if blocks to control the visibility of the cart, product details, and other elements based on user interactions. 4. Event handling. Implement event handlers, on-click, on-key down, to enable users to interact with the cart and product selection dynamically. 5. User experience. Ensure a seamless user experience by updating the UI in response to user actions, such as selecting departments, viewing product details, and managing cart contents. Wow! That's a lot. You are doing great. Alright, that's a wrap. End challenge 2. Several more challenges coming. See you in the next video for the next challenge.